News, my lovely, wonderful people, is happening. Our very own brother, Primate Ayodele, has started. Across the country, a lot of people and a lot of persons have been speaking, in terms of, what they feel, economic hardship, and the rest. And it's really terrible because some people they are not just saying it because they want to say, it's because, they are really going through a lot. And right now, as you and I can see the issue of what is on ground, Prime Minister Ayodele says Nigerians, telling Nigerians that, you know, uh, cursing, protesting won't help Tinubu. Prime Minister Ayodele tell Nigerians this is what must be done in order to save the country and to help things get better. The leader of INRI Evangelical Spiritual Church, Primate Elisha Ayodele, on Tuesday urged Nigerians to desist from cursing and protesting against the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu over the economic downturn in the country. He says this act and behavior will not help the country. It will not help things to go forward. Nigerians must become wise and desist from everything and anything that will not help the country to be better. He urged Nigerians to rather pray for Tinubu and his ministers because they seem confused about the current situation in the country. The more they protest, the more confused they are. They are trying, they don't even know what to do, and they are getting more confused, and this will not help anyone. In a statement signed by the media aide Oluwatosin, Prime Minister Ayodele revealed that it is possible the economy will shut down in the next 2 weeks if there is no solution to the current crisis happening in the country. Tinubu must rise up now and do the needful. The protest started. The protest started. This instance of cursing leaders and protesting against them is not the solution. Pray, Nigerians. That is where your help comes from. Every Nigerian must begin to pray now. We must not neglect the place of prayer. The prophet stated that instead of cursing the leaders and protesting against them, Nigerians should organize prayer summits, retreats for them in order to have wisdom to the situation around them. The man of God mentioned that the curse will only make situation worse instead of making things better. Therefore, prayer must be done on behalf of the leaders to save Nigerians from the hardship. Cursing President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, those in power, will not solve the problem. You are only compounding the spiritual atmosphere. Nigerians should learn to pray for their leaders because we all want this country to be better. I warned Nigerians against voting APC, but they did not listen. Now they are reaping the seed they have sown. Protests and curse will not solve it. And I'd say to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, arise and do the needful. If you continue to ignore the people and you do not rise up, within the next few weeks, the country will shut down and you will be forced to declare a state of emergency. The police and the army, security agencies can do nothing about the situation. Every one of us must pray for them. Recall that Primate Ayodele advised the government to crash the price of food in order to reduce hardship in the country, allow importation of food, not other commodities. He urged the government to work towards agriculture, electricity insecurity. If this can be dealt with, things will begin to normalize in no time. The government of Nigeria have left the most important thing and are doing other things that will not benefit the people. Hence, the situation the country is currently faced with. If things must change, everyone must arise and do what is needed and necessary in order to flip things right about now. So, my lovely, wonderful people, it is becoming crystal clear that every one of us must understand that we cannot continue with the same thing over and over again, then expect a different result. We can't. We can't. So, what's the first line of action? Everybody must understand that Nigerians are presently, we are working and we are looking at how things are, and we must ensure that we stand on the pedestal of truth if we want to see things move forward. There are people who are there And guess what? They don't understand what the people are going through because they don't know it. They don't feel it. They don't know. You're the one complaining that there is hardship. They don't know. They don't see it. They've never felt it. Their children are abroad. They can afford to buy whatever they want to buy. If they say one cup of Gary goes to 15,000 naira, they will be able to buy it. So why should they trouble themselves with you? They are just hearing that the masses are complaining that the economic situation of the country is bad. They hear it. They know, they hear it. But that's it. That's it. They can't. They're not doing anything, and they are not ready to do anything. That's the honest, sincere truth. They are not doing anything and are not ready to do anything. So, what do you think? What do you think the issue is right here right now? The truth of it is, until we all rise up and ensure that we do not allow the same thing, we may not be able to truly save this nation from the current impending danger that is faced with right now. Every single person must understand that Nigerians we all need this nation to be better. We all need things to be different so that this country can sincerely forge ahead. There are so many issues that are on ground. The president's son is telling Nigerians to be magnanimous in be patient with her husband. And I'm wondering, really, be patient with your husband? Are you sure? Then the son as well is saying, that's the wife. The wife said Nigerians should be patient with the husband. Then the son as well is saying that the father is, when you are wearing watch of, only your watch can feed a people for how long? You don't understand what they are going through. If you do, you will speak better. You don't get it. You don't have the clue, the slightest clue of what these people are going through. So it is a very, very unprecedented time that we are in, and everybody's just watching, and we want the truth. We want Nigerians to move forward. We want people to be able to live their lives so that together we can make a headway and this nation can become a better place. The days upon us are so critical, and everybody is watching. Everybody wants to know what the truth is. There is so many lies propagated to us. They say they remove fuel subsidy, but they did not remove it. It's still being paid, yet things have gone the way they are. So how do we reconcile all of this going on together? It tells you, truly how dangerous these politicians are. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now.